NC Simulations is the preeminent simulation software on the market, allowing users to validate, simulate, and optimize all CNC machine programs. By generating error and collision-free G-code, NC Simul eliminates the use of equipment for proving out programs, reduces job setup and machine downtime, and ultimately increases productivity while reducing costs. NC Simul Solutions utilizes the fastest, most advanced graphic engine available, allowing it to remove clear-cut volumes of material in the simulation environment in either part or machine view. It is the only G-code simulator that can be continually manipulated through zoom, pan, and rotate commands without any instances of refresh latency. By streamlining the production process via an intuitive interface, NC Simul saves both man and machine hours on the shop floor. Through collaboration with both machine tool builders and vendors, NC Simul is able to provide the most accurate virtual CNC machines possible. Here's an example of an NC Simul Solutions simulation with DMG.